Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Subaru Forester. 2014 Subaru Forester 2.5i Premium, adventure awaits, drive in comfort. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the 2014 Subaru Forester 2.5i Premium. Powered by a 2.5L H4 170 HP engine, this SUV has serious get-up and go. With just under 76,000 miles, averaging less than 7k/year, it's barely broken in. The sleek dark grey metallic exterior gives it a stealthy, stylish look, and the platinum cloth seats provide supreme comfort. Plus, with 24 mpg city and 32 mpg highway, it's more fuel efficient than some hybrids. It's in excellent condition with a clean Carfax, so it's been well taken care of. Ready for fun and adventure? Come take it for a spin. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.